Mackenzie now drills in the shots. Ooh, a little bit of a fumble. In fact, it's allowed Suckley to get in it next and chip it. Oh, it's in! Wow, Suckley, good finish. Wrexham take the lead. Allen scrapping wins it back and manages to find a teammate, and Jones over the top. It's a great ball. Now Cara Jones has got Hughes in the middle. She's driving on. She drives the shot. What a goal! What a strike by Cara Jones. Another good ball by Lily Jones to pick her out, and Wrexham take a 2-goal lead early on. To Hughes, who's got Suckley to left. Nice pass inside. Jones has got Mackenzie through the middle. Tries a shot instead though, and oh, it's in! Oh dear, that's a horrible, horrible moment. 3 players in the box to aim for. She goes past her opponent, pulls it back for Hughes. It just bobbles, but she buries it anyway. Wrexham 4 up, and Hughes with a simple finish from the edge of the area. As the throw comes in, and that'll go through to the keeper. Will it? No, Suckley's got there again, and it's there. Well, she is sharp. The 2 goals she scored, both down to that predatory instinct. Jones, decent delivery, and it's there. Great ball in again by Lily Jones, and Wrexham get a 6th. Looking for Jones over the top. That's a great idea. Or Hughes rather. Hughes now cutting inside, tight angle, support in the middle, pops it inside, and Suckley gets the hat-trick. And I've got to say, there's a real air of inevitability about that. And Davis looks for it. That's nice. Hughes chance to cross. Ooh, hits Suckley and goes in. Well, she didn't know much about that, I don't think. But she won't care. She's got 4 now. She's just lurking out there on the wing as the through ball is played, and Mackenzie, 1-on-1. Great chance. And she finishes. Bottom left corner. Wrexham have got a 9th. Ball drops loose, and it's good work again by Dickens, and a nice ball forwards now. Danger again here. Long range shot, and it's in. That's 10. Jones drilling it through the keeper's hands. The delivery back in. Suckley does get her 5th. She's not going to miss that, quite frankly. Now, can Dickens thread it through? Yes, Suckley winning an on goal again. Defenders getting across. Suckley does well. Great finish. Great finish. That's 12. 6 for Suckley now, I reckon. Taken quickly by Dickens. Good idea. Wasn't executed right, but Suckley has got Whitefoot naked to space, and again, great vision by Suckley. Well done, Whitefoot, to ride that tackle and drill it in for the 13th. Great finish. 13-0 now to Wrexham.